In this video, I am going to show you exactly what a full day of diabetic eating looks like. These recipes and meals are absolutely delicious and will keep your blood sugars low. Looking for one of the best breakfasts for pre-diabetics? These egg muffins for diabetics are perfect for your pre-diabetes meal prep. They taste delicious. They contain simple ingredients. And I want you to stay to the very end because I'm going to show you how to include this in your pre-diabetes plan and how it works for weight loss. Preheat your oven to 375 and grab your dry and liquid measuring cup. And yes, I do realize my drawer is a mess. We do need to start normalizing this, gang. I don't have matchy equipment. I use what works. And this has been with me for years, so it's going to be. And you know, if you want me to have matchy stuff, you can gladly mail it to me because baby, I ain't gonna buy if it works. The other thing is that I'm using a fork to stir. I'm not using some fancy whisk. Grab your muffin tins and your nonstick cooking spray. We just need 3 simple ingredients. You can get these at your local supermarket because, gang, I do not shop at the fancy store. We need to normalize shopping at Walmart more. Let's go for it. Go team Walmart. We have 4 eggs that we're going to use. They're a protein powerhouse, a package of your frozen broccoli, and then a package of your cheese. Now, I just talked about Walmart. You could tell that I got these at Kroger. Now, I love using this trick. I'm actually going to crack my eggs in the measuring cup. Why am I do this? Well, number one, I hate washing dishes, so I don't want to dirty an extra bowl. But really, this is going to help us pour out this egg and cheese mixture into our muffin tin so we don't make a mess because, you know, a messy kitchen is a great kitchen, but I don't like cleaning up mess either. So one of our eggs, so remember, we're using 4 eggs in this recipe, 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and really no carbs. So yay for that. I am using a fork to whip these eggs. Now, I don't have fancy equipment. I keep things really simple, and I tell this exact advice to my patients. So if you're new here, hey, I'm Dietitian Shelly. My job is that I'm a dietitian. I see folks during the day. Mainly, I see folks for weight loss, blood sugar control, and hormone balance. If that's you, you want to subscribe because I'm going to give you some fun tips and tricks to follow. To this, we are going to add a 1/2 cup of our cheese. And yes, you can use any type of cheese. I'm using cheddar. If mozzarella's on sale, use that. It all works out great. So please don't feel like you have to use cheddar cheese, or if you want to ask, you can. I like cheddar. You might like mozzarella. Go ahead and grab that muffin tin, and I'm cutting the frozen broccoli open with our scissors. And one thing that I want you to do is put that broccoli down, spray that muffin tin with your nonstick cooking spray. This is very important. I don't own the silicone muffin cups. If you do, I'm very interested in purchasing this. I really want to buy only things that I need and work. So if they work for you, let me know when they're on sale at the Walmart. I'm gonna go and grab me some of those. I'm happy to hear your opinion. You're gonna fill up half of the muffin tin with your frozen broccoli. Of course, you could use different vegetables. Notice I am using the frozen chopped broccoli though. Pretty important because to have big broccoli florets in the muffin tin is going to be a little bit messy and it may not cook all the way. So that's super important to me. Now, a little trick, I am going to spray the top of this so that it doesn't, get any kind of burn, any kind of crisp. And we are going to cook this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. While this is cooking, we're going to grab our meal prep items, which is our storage bags. And to get these out of the muffin tin, you could use a spatula. I was actually given this spatula as a gift. I think it was in my Christmas stocking one year, but you could use your plain old butter knife. These absolutely look great. Now remember, I cooked these for 15 to 20 minutes. The time's going to matter on how frozen your vegetables are. So give a little peek. It may take a little longer, may take a little bit of a shorter time. And I'm going to remove these from the oven, let them cool for a little bit, and I'm gonna cut them out with my spatula. Now, of course, you could put them in your storage bags. This video is about meal prep specifically for pre-diabetics. So I would encourage you to put 2 in your bag, serving size is 2. You add to this a fiber. Now, in a past video, which I'm gonna link below, we talked about meal planning for a full day for a pre-diabetes plan. You're gonna wanna watch that because I talked about the importance of the combination of protein and fiber. And I would actually add another superfood protein to this, like your yogurt. This is a great breakfast. It's super simple. And if you want more menus, scroll in the description box. You can download our 7-day menu to help lower your blood sugar. And gang, I wish you well. I'm Dietitian Shelly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to meal prep a delicious lunch perfect for diabetics, pre-diabetics, and those looking to lose weight. Ingredients are crazy easy. Grab your Mission Carb Balance wraps, some mozzarella cheese, turkey pepperoni, and yes, pay attention to those ingredients, friends, because I know you're going to say something in the comments. You could do chicken, but I love pizza, so bring me my pepperoni. Pizza sauce. Again, this is something I want you to be very mindful of in the comment section. This did have 3 grams of sugar. For some of y'all looking for lower sugar, there are different varieties out there that are going to be available at your Walmart and Kroger, so no biggie. It's so easy to prep these. Lay out your Mission Carb Balance wrap on your cutting board. We love these. They are a huge amount of fiber. Y'all know fiber is a winner in here. Said it once, I've said it twice, I'll say it again. 30 grams of fiber in a day is what I want to see you do. And we're gonna layer this with your turkey pepperoni. Now I picked turkey pepperoni. I am always very mindful of calories. This will offer us some protein in here. And you know, it's water, fiber, and protein that are my diabetic and pre-diabetic best friends. Protein keeps that blood sugar stable. Protein also keeps us fuller longer. I want you to aim for 90 grams of protein or higher. And if you're new here, I'm Shelly. I'm a dietitian. In the day, I work with clients. At nighttime, I'm a busy mom trying to make up some really quick recipes, starring ingredients from Walmart and Kroger. If that is you, go ahead and subscribe. And hey, while you do that, download my 7-day menu in the description box. We're gonna continue with about a 1/4 cup of our mozzarella cheese. This also offers us some protein, about 2 tablespoons of our pizza sauce. And remember, friends, always be mindful. Look on the label. I do look at carbs, but I also look at sugar. Let's keep it as low as possible. To make this wrap, you're going to grab your saucepan, set it to medium heat. We're going to put your wrap on there after, of course, you spray it with your nonstick cooking spray. I personally like to cook it 2 to 3 minutes, but I like a crisp. Dare I say I kind of like it a little burnt almost? Don't think I'm weird, but I like that. You can cook it less, you can cook it more. It's all up to you, boo-boo. We love what you do. When it's done cooking, remember this is our fiber protein winner. You know those Mission Carb Balance wraps have about 15 to 17 grams of fiber, depending on what type you buy. You're gonna remove this from the heat and cut it into 4 pieces. Now here's the thing, you're gonna repeat this process for your work week, so for 5 days. Make sure you store it. You can store it in sandwich bags. I do prefer to store it in plastic containers. Don't go buy the fancy ones. Use what you have. We're not here to spend extra money. So keep repeating this over again. You could do different toppings. This is a meal prep lunch. Perfect for diabetics, pre-diabetics. Check out the ingredients in the description box. And gang, while you're there, make sure you subscribe. Much love. The recipe we're going to use is our slow cooker fajitas. Now, it only contains 3 ingredients, which is our stew meat, our fajita seasoning, you can use taco seasoning, and our onion, which we're going to slice. Now, if you're making this in the morning and you're going to work, you're going to put it in your slow cooker for 4 to 6 hours. But a few months back, I did a freezer meals recipe, and I want to remind you how we did it freezer meal style. And so this is probably, I lied. I said the Rayo's was the most expensive. My bad. And Christian is crawling behind me. I don't know why. But hey, this is real life, gang. We're sports parents and we're trying to stay healthy. This was $9.06 and I couldn't find this on sale. So this is the regular price. Whereas the chicken I got for $1.49 over at Albertsons. These are the beef kind of, I would call them tips. You could really get it cut anyway. We're gonna use our knife. We're gonna get this open. And one of the things, gang, that I tell everybody is that we do, I forgot what I was gonna say, brain fart. That's a whole mom thing. I don't know what's going on with me with that, but let me know in the comments section if you get brain fart, because I just did, you know, and I think that's pretty common. This could be a slight mess, so I'm again use the tongs to kind of put these in here. And again, if it was just me, this is what I would do if it was just me right here. I'm like, get in there. You know, I kind of tell that meat who's boss. A lot of us are nervous about red meat. We know that chicken's lean. You know, our chicken is a very lean protein item. So is our lean cuts of our beef. So don't be afraid. Whoops, I had some more meat in here. Don't be afraid to use our beef. And obviously, you know, I'm gonna say it right now, I'm short. I probably should have used some type of step, but again, today is a day of realness. We are not, you know, kind of sugarcoating stuff for you. Kroger taco seasoning, I'm gonna put the whole packet in there. I'm gonna throw those onions that we chopped up earlier in here.
And then our beef broth. I'm gonna put about a half a can of the beef broth in here. And again, I did pre-open it, so I would want you to do that. And that's about a half of our can. And this again will go low for 4 to 6 hours.
Chop up fresh zucchini and squash. You're going to saute it in about a tablespoon of olive oil. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook down. And I love to serve our fajita mixture over this. It is absolutely divine.